Westminster Shorter Catechism, Question and Answer 6. Sexta Quaestio. Quot sunt personae in Deetate? Responsio. In Deetate personae tres sunt, Pater, Filius, ac Spiritus Sanctus. Suntque hae tres personae Deus unus, substantia eadem, potentia ac gloria coae quales. The question begins with an interrogative, of course. How many are the persons in the deity, in the Godhead? Personae is feminine, plural, and nominative. It is a representation of the Greek prosopon, that's the singular, prosopon, which means countenance, face, or visage, and in theological contexts means then person. This is the plural. Deetate is from the third declension abstract noun deitas, divinity or Godhead. Deitas, deitatis. Like most third declension abstracts, it's also feminine. The answer: in the Godhead, in the deity, three persons exist. Personae tres sunt. Typically, adjectives of quantity or degree, like tres, go before the noun that they modify, but this is probably placed after to reflect or mirror the order of the question, the language of the question. Then, the three persons are Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. These three nouns, Pater, Filius, and Spiritus, are appositives, placed in apposition to personae. They are not adjectives, but nouns which restate another noun, in this instance personae. And, the answer continues, there are, or these three persons are, suntque hae tres personae, Deus unus, one God. Substantia eadem. So we can see that personae, modified by tres, is the subject of sunt, and the predicate is a singular, Deus unus. Three are one. These three persons are one God. Then we have substantia eadem, which is an ablative of quality, feminine, singular, and ablative, as we saw in the answer to question 4, and there we cited Allen and Greenaw's grammar, section 4:15, to explain the ablative of quality. Same in substance, in power and glory, co-equales, co-equal. So substantia would be in Greek ousia. This is the term used in Greek theological and philosophical discussion to indicate substance, and it is the origin of the term homoousios, meaning of same, not of similar, but of same substance. So this language reflects that very well. Eadem is a feminine singular ablative, modifying substantia. The lexical entry is idem for the masculine nominative singular. This is the feminine singular ablative with substantia. Co-equales is feminine, plural, and nominative because it is modifying personae, and co-equal in two ways, potentia ac gloria. Both of these nouns are feminine singular, ablative, just like substantia, and they are also abstractions, and they are ablatives of quality, so I take them. And let's talk a moment about potentia. Potentia is a noun that explains ability. It is a first declension noun, and it is to be distinguished from a synonym of sorts, potestas. Potestas connotes authority. Now, clearly, the persons of the Trinity are co-equal in authority, but here the authors of the Catechism have in mind their ability, potentia. Potentia and potestas have their corresponding words in Greek, dunamis, meaning ability, and exousia, meaning authority. Here is an image of Anthony Tuckney, 1599 to 1670, a Cambridge theologian who led the committee that composed the Westminster Shorter Catechism.